guys, what up YouTube? Welcome back for the brand new videos, and hope you guys are all doing great today. Hope you guys are all doing fine. For today's video guys, we are going back to Calypso. This is gonna be my Calypso part 2 with Bobby, Saif, and Paul Valencia. So what are you guys waiting for? Join us. Let's go. Let's do this. Cheers! So we are finally here guys in Calypso. Look at the line. Sabi mo sa line, Paul? Lalo. Suabe guys. Let's go. Let's do this. And now we will be eating the Popeyes. Where we at now, bro?
Calypso Park.
What can you say, bro?
Huh?
Last message.
We're in a danger line.
Bobby, what can you say?
Wait.
Finally on the highest slide. We gonna take the orange or the white one. Either way, guys. So as you can see, there's a lot of people here on the top.
We're in a danger line.
Closers! Last word, bro.
Good luck.
Good luck. Let's go, guys. Push. Push. Sa yung pa ako isuot mo dyan sa kilikili mo yan. Cheers! Huwag ka masyado mahinig, marinig ka sa baba. Marinig ka sa baba. Marinig ka sa baba.
The long wait is over.
What a lovely. Nice ride.
Hello, Pijo. How are you? Let's go here. Hey, my friend. How are you? All good. Come on, bro. Come on.
I come and go like a rah rah rah. They don't want the to be going nah nah nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round round round.
gonna be our part 2 here, guys, in Calypso Waterpark, and we tried some of the high slide, and it was fun. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, hit the subscribe button. Let's make it 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Oh. Tayo po.
I got the flavor doing push-ups on the coca bean, doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be. All these women trying to write me, I get the message now, I know they wanna wife me. And not to mention all the
Bro,
That's very good.
is it very good?
Yeah,
You,
fucking scary.
do you still wanna go or no?
Dito lang tayo, dito. I don't like there. I like here.
Why you don't like, bro?
It's too far.
Too far.
Yung magandang ganyan, no? Ayan, oh.
putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the pole. Yeah, I cooked it up cause I'm a hero in my own town. Whoa, we just running on our own now. Whoa, all these digits on my phone now, working through the late night, that's just how it goes down. Oh wow, put in work, I guess we work it out. Almost summer and the money almost running out. All this running up and down, it's getting funny now. I do it for myself and all you ever did was run your mouth. Yeah, we at the spot.
Here's the day we are here in the parliament, and we're just gonna walk around here. And if you haven't visited the parliament here, you should visit it, because it was a nice place. And you can see behind me, it was the parliament, and now I'm going to the back to see the view, especially the lake. So this is the backside here in the parliament, guys.
They don't want the two be going nah nah nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the popo. Yeah, yeah, that's been my whole life, you know. Ever since a little kid, I didn't know what to do. They just told me, you done took all your stuff. And they said to me, young 2B, you're gonna have to work hard for it, you know. Ain't no going around it, man. You see what it did to you?
Again, last, wait. Oh. Again. Hindi ko matapos.
Try again daw.
I'm done. We're gonna crash now, bro.
Don't see anyone. Just see
Right.
on the phone. That's you can do it.
Oh. Awan.
Last thing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, car and a bad romance.
Car in a bad romance.
Car in a bad romance. What happened to you have to you have to finish it. We have to finish it. That's it for today's video, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you on Calgary's vlog. Peace. Cheers.
We're in a danger line.